Okay, hello everyone. I'm here to articulate my response to the request I task sent by my lecturer. And before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Alimuddin Sulfakor, and you can call me Zul. And my number IT student is 2511-21008. Thank you. And the first question is, what do you already know about the article? And my answer is, the article explores the power of branding, specifically how branding has evolved from a practical tool for identification into a profound psychological and cultural phenomenon. And the second question is, find the main ideas each paragraph of the article. Okay, the first paragraph is the necessity of metamorphosing an outdated product image into a brand that embodies a larger idea to remain competitive. And the second paragraph is the significance of brand heritage, illustrated by how Rolls-Royce maintains an aristocratic British identity regardless of change in corporate ownership. And the third paragraph is the etymological origins of branding, tracing it back to the literal practice of Frenchers using hot irons to mark livestock for recognition and distinction. And the fourth paragraph is the cultural dichotomy of global brands, which may be celebrated as national treasures at home but viewed as symbol of foreignness in international market. And the fifth paragraph, the evolution of brands into expensive subcultures, specifically how NASCAR cultivated a massive community that transcends the sport itself. And the sixth paragraph, the use of branding signal cultural opposition or patriotism, exemplified by Harley Davidson rebellious and American-made image. And the seventh paragraph is the concept of a brand as a lucrative medium, allowing organization to generate significant revenue through name licensing and advertising space. And the next paragraph, the convergence of promotional imagery and personal identity, where consumer adopt a brand's characteristic to define their own self-image. And the last paragraph is the pinnacle of brand connection, where the emotional bond becomes so profound that customers physically mark themselves with brand logos. Okay, everyone, thank you so much. This concludes my response. Thank you for your gracious attention. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ibnu Nasal Kauni. Today I will listen for the question. Paragraph 1, main idea paragraph 1. Effective branding involves transforming an old product image into a new message that connect the product with their emotional values for consumers. Paragraph 2, the history of the term brand comes from in the practice of farmers marking their livestock for the recognition and identity purpose. Paragraph 3, Rolls-Royce is an example of a brand with a very high recognition value that is synonymous with classic luxury and British. Paragraph 4, globally successful brands can face the contradictory cultures challenge of being a national treasure at home and a symbol of recognition abroad. Paragraph 5, how a subculture can form around a brand happened with NASCAR growing from beach racing to an identity for millions. Paragraph 6. Nasser Foundation is very large media outlet finance operation through product partnerships and averaging space. Paragraph 7. The relationship between brand image, the consumer's personal identity, where customer often adopt the brand image, is a reception of the Volvets. Paragraph 8. Harley Davidson success in building extreme emotional connection with its consumers through the symbolism of patriotism and country culture, religions. Yes, kok religion sih? Question 2, the meaning of the article. Case to this, the article exemplifies iconic brands such as Rolls-Royce, a symbol of British luxury, Nascar, a saber of subculture, Harley Davidson, a symbol of patriotism and freedom. 2. Personal connection. Successful branding creates a strong emotional connection where customer make the brand image part of their personal identity. Yes, agree. Thank you for today. See you next time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syarif Rahmatullah Al-Ghazi. NIM 2511211010. I can answer these two questions. Number 1, what do you already know about the article? Okay, this article is about the power of branding and how a brand can influence people, perception, lifestyle, and even culture. It explains that a brand is not only a logo, but also present values and identity that connect with customer. Number 2, main idea is paragraph. Paragraph 1, branding makes product more meaningful by connecting them with ideas like status, success, and identity. Paragraph 2, branding originally comes from marketing animals and now it functions as a way to create recognition. Paragraph 3, brand like Rolls-Royce symbolize luxury and prestige even for people who have never used the product. Paragraph 4, global brand can become part of a culture, but they may also face challenges in different countries. Paragraph 5, brand like NASCAR can create subculture where people feel part of a community. Paragraph 6, branding influence person identity as people choose products that match how they see themselves. Paragraph 7, Harley Davidson show how a brand can become a symbol of lifestyle and culture values. Paragraph 8, a strong brand creates emotional connection, making people feel personally attached and loyal. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Dapri. NIM 2511211012. In English, number 1, What do you already know about the article? Answer. The article discusses the power of branding and how brands influence customers and culture. It explains that a strong brand is not just about a logo or product, but about the ideas, values, and emotion is associated with it. The article also shows how successful brands can become part of people's identity and even shape subcultures. Number two, find the main ideas of each paragraph of the article. Answer. Paragraph 1. Companies must build strong brands by connecting their product with bigger ideas such as success, beauty, or power to influence how people see them. Paragraph 2. The term brand originally comes from marking animals, and today it means creating recognition and identity for products. Paragraph 3. Strong brands like Rolls-Royce represent certain value like story tradition, and people recognize them even without direct experience. Paragraph 4. Successful brands can become part of culture, but they might also face challenges when expanding globally. Paragraph 5. Subcultures came from road brands such as NASCAR, which has developed a strong identity and loyal community. Paragraph 6. Branding context to personal identity as people cause products that reflects how they are or want to be. Paragraph 7. Harley Davidson is an example of a brand that represents freedom and individuality, become part of a subculture. Paragraph X. A strong brand creates emotional connection with customers, making them feel personally attached to it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisrina Muntasnada with name 251121013. Here I will answer question to prepare my midterm exam assignment. Okay, let's get straight to it. Number 1. What do you already know about the article? Okay, the article entitled The Power of Branding contains information about. The article discusses the power of branding, how a brand can influence the way people think, feel, and even their lifestyle. A brand is not only about a product, but also about the image, symbols, and meaning that stay in consumers' mind. For example, Rolls-Royce is often associated with luxury, while Nike is known for being athletic and strong. In conclusion, a brand can become part of a person's culture and identity. And next, number 2. Main ideas of each paragraph. And first one, paragraph 1. A company must build a brand so that its product has more meaning than just a product, such as becoming a symbol of status or lifestyle. And next, main ideas in paragraph 2. From the rich to Rolls-Royce, the word brand comes from marking animals to show ownership. Basically, a brand is used for recognition. And next, paragraph 3. Rolls-Royce has a strong image as a symbol of luxury, and this image is maintained even after being owned by BMW. And next, paragraph 4. A strong brand can become part of cultures, but it may have different impact in different countries, for example, MC-Donalds. And next, paragraph 5. NASCAR has developed into more than just a car race, it has become an identity for many people. And next, paragraph 6. A brand can become a medium to generate money through advertising and product. And next, paragraph 7. My brand, myself. People can use brand as part of their identity, for example, Nike. And next paragraph 8. Subcultures can be formed from brands such as Harley Davidson, which is associated with freedom and rebellion. And next paragraph 9. Interview. A strong brand is created when consumers feel an emotional connection with the brand. Okay, that's my answer. Sorry if there are a lot of my mistakes. See you next time, guys.